Welcome back to another video, guys. This is Same from Ecom Space, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to apply for a seller account in order for you to be able to sell on the Walmart marketplace. If you've been following me on Instagram, then you will know that I recently applied for a second selling account on Walmart for my business. In my opinion, there are a lot of potential for sellers who are able to get early to start selling on Walmart.com. We all know that Amazon dominates the e-com space. Over 50% of e-commerce sales happen on Amazon in the United States. But that doesn't even compare with how large Walmart is. So why sell on Walmart Marketplace? By joining the Walmart Marketplace, you have the unique opportunity to reach over 100 million unique Walmart.com visitors per month and to join the thousands of suppliers and sellers that call themselves Walmart partners. As a marketplace seller, you will be able to control your business, including inventory, retail pricing, fulfillment, and customer care. So we can go ahead and verify some of this information on Google. You would be able to see that Walmart US had a net sales of $341 billion for fiscal in 2020, which represent the 66% of our fiscal 2020 consolidated net sales. So in order to sell on Walmart, you need to go to marketplace.walmart.com and click on request to sell. Okay, you will see to start the application, they give you some recommendation in order to submit the application from within 10 to 15 minutes, which basically they are recommending you to have each one of your document in hand, which as we can see, the first one is having a US business tax ID because they do not accept SSN or social security number. The second one, you will need to have a W-9 firm or W-8 firm, as well as you will need to have an EIN verification letter from the Department of Treasury. The third one, you will need to provide the address where you physically are operating from, as well as you will need to have a United States business address. A planned integration method, which you are going to upload your inventory manually or using an API solution provider. You will need to provide your primary product category, catalog size, and number of SKUs. Then you will click Start Application. So here we are in the first section, which are the company registration page, where you will be able to enter your business information, such as your first name and your last name. Then you would enter your business email, as well as you need to verify your business email. Now you need to enter your job title, whether you are the business owner or manager, you would enter it right here. Now you need to verify the reCAPTCHA. Double check the information that you have entered before verifying the reCAPTCHA. Because after you verify the reCAPTCHA, you will no longer be able to modify this information and it will be stored in the Walmart database. So in the second part, you will need to enter the classification of your company, whether it's a W-9 or it's a W-8. So since mine is a W-9, I would leave it as it is. Then you would need to enter your state of incorporation, as well as you need to enter your legal business name. Right here, Walmart is asking you if you are a public company listed in the stock exchange. Is yes, you would select yes. Is no, just click no. Doing business as, if your website name is different from your legal business name, you can enter your website name, which is recommended. If your website name is the same as your legal business name, then you would just enter your legal business name. As well as you need to enter your US tax ID or TIN. And in this section, you would need to enter a DUNS number. As you can see, Walmart is saying that this is not required, but I highly recommend you to enter your DUNS number because this would follow your application apart from the rest and you would be able to get the answer from Walmart faster. You need to enter the year of foundation of your company, which are located on your EIN number or your EIN document. After filling out that information, you would need to enter or upload your W-9 form and EIN federal tax ID document. So in this section, which is the last part of the company registration page, you need to enter your legal address. This legal address are the one that you enter on your W-9 or W-8 form. After that, you need to select or enter this information if your business have office or warehouse outside of the US. Since mine is no, I click no. Then you would click next. So this is the second section, which are the product and integration page, where Walmart would be asking you if you are transporting goods from another country. Is yes, you can click yes. Since my suppliers, they are all based within the United States, I clicked no. Do you sell items in these specific categories, which is software, luxury brands, cell phones, or jewelry? You can click any one of those if you do sales in this category. So if we scroll down, Walmart would be asking you for your average online revenue, which if you click here, you would see that they are specifying that they are requiring your monthly online revenue, as well as you would need to enter your highest performing category, which is apparel. You can click that. If it's electronics, you can click electronics. They would be asking as well for your catalog size, which means how many items do you have, the amount of SKUs do you have. You would need to enter that number here. What SKUs are refurbished? Since mine is 0, I click 0%. What percent of your SKUs do not have a valid UPC? Since mine is 0, I click 0%. What percentage of your SKU are used? Since mine is 0, I click 0%. So in this section, Walmart would be asking for information of other retail markets if you do selling. For example, if you're selling on eBay or Amazon or Etsy or any other platform, you would enter that information right here. How are you planning to integrate with Walmart? Using API or using solution providers? So if you choose to use solution providers, here you would see that Walmart have listed some of all of basically the partners that they do integrate with. So if you do integrate with any one of these, you can go ahead and select them right here. For example, SolarBright, if you do use SolarBright, then you would go ahead and click next. So here we are in the third section, which are the shipping and operation page, where Walmart would be asking you for your current shipping method, and you would need to select all that applies. So for my business, I selected UPS, FedEx, and USPS, as well as you would need to select or enter your business warehouse address. So if you have a wholesale supplier, you can use the warehouse address. If you don't have one, you can search in your state or your city for a warehouse and you can use their location. So the third step, Walmart would be asking you, why will you be a good fit for the Walmart marketplace? So what I put here for this information is that my company sells on a lot of other marketplaces. I say that I sell on Amazon as well as on eBay and offer my product on my own website. And I think that I would be a great fit for the Walmart marketplace because I have a lot of unique products and some are currently offered on walmart.com for a higher price. So you're just going to list a few reasons as to why your business will be a good fit for Walmart and also why should you be accepted. So after you fill all this information, you will just need to click review. Now we are prompt up to the confirmation page, where you will be able to review all of your information, such as the company registration section, product and integration, as well as shipping and operation, and make sure that all of your information are accurate before submitting the form. If you see that there is some resources that you do not have that you will need to begin your Walmart application, I would be adding some of them down below in the description so this can facilitate your application. So now since we are all set, I would go ahead and click submit form. After completing the Walmart seller application, it should take approximately 24 hours to receive an email like this, where you will be conditionally approved as a seller on Walmart Marketplace. To register as a Walmart Marketplace seller and get access to your seller center, please click on Register as a Seller. So on the account creation page, you basically would be creating, which would be your password. Then you would need to confirm your password, as well as you would need to create or select, which would be your 3 security questions, and then enter the answer for these questions. Then click save. The second step, which is the agreement page, you basically would just be reading the terms or agreement that Walmart would present to you, type in your full name, and click I agree, which will be brought up to the company and registration page, where you would be creating your account display name. Basically, this would be your store name that would display on Walmart.com. Then you would need to fill in your company information, which would be the address, your business phone number, basically the information that is on your W-9 form or W-8 form. Then click next. The tax profile would be filled in automatically with your W-9 or W-8 form. Whatever information you enter while beginning the application, this would be filled in automatically in this section. So you would just need to click next. The payment information. Walmart would give you 2 options to choose between Pioneer and Hyper Wallet. Whether both, you would need to enter your company information or business information. You need to enter as well as your tax information, personal information, and then click save. You will be sent after to the shipping page, where you just select the different tiers for shipping, whether it's 2 days, 6 days, or 7 days delivery time. Then click next. To begin the onboarding process, you need to enter your company information. Your company information basically is uploading your website logo, as well as you need to enter a brief description of what your company is about. After that, you need to enter your customer service, basically describing to Walmart customer the time that it would take for you to get back to them after they submit an inquiry about an item. Manage contact. The Manage Contact tab allows you to add modify contacts from your organization to handle different type of roles, which is integration and technical, business management, customer service, item content, shipping and fulfillment, as well as partner performance. We have the shipping option or shipping policy. Here's where you describe to Walmart customer how you handle shipping after they place an order. Return. The return page offers settings to configure the methods, rules, and fees associated with the customer's return. Privacy policy. The privacy policy is shown to customers on Walmart.com and provides opportunity for you to describe how you will use and secure the customer information. The tax. When a customer purchases an item on Walmart.com, the item is subject to sales tax for them as well. As shipping, you will need to add this disclaimer so they can be aware of this charge. So this is basically the application, account creation, and finalizing with the onboarding process. So after uploading your item or inventory, which are the final step, you then need to launch your account. After the review process, which should take from 24 to 48 hours for you to receive an email like this, where they will be notifying you that your application has been approved to join the curated community of professional sellers on Walmart Marketplace. So guys, if you do have any questions, just let me know. As well as I would leave a PDF file of these steps down below in the description so you can go through it before beginning your application. If this video was very helpful to you, don't forget to smash the subscription button and see you in a future video.